You didn't find this by accident. Somewhere deep inside, you've probably felt it for a while, that the reality you're living in is not the whole picture. That beyond your thoughts, your worries, there is something more, something quieter, something more real, something deeper. And today, you allow yourself to feel it. Stay with me until the end. This meditation will gently open a space where you begin to see wider, feel deeper, and release what has been holding you back. Now, find a comfortable position. Let your body relax. If you are sitting, keep your back straight but soft. If you are lying down, allow your body to fully sink into the surface beneath you. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in, calm, easy, and slowly exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Most of your life, you've been living inside your thoughts. They sound like a voice in your head. They comment on everything. They judge, compare, and doubt. And over time, it starts to feel like that voice is you. But it isn't you. It's just a stream you've learned to identify with. If this feels familiar, gently like this video. Let it be a small signal, a choice, to return to your true self. When you are fully inside your thoughts, you lose the sense of space. Life begins to feel narrow, limited, a place where fear lives, where doubt repeats itself, where the feeling of "I'm not enough" quietly grows. You begin to hold yourself back without even noticing. You create limits that were never truly there. If you want to return to this state more often, subscribe. This is a space where you remember who you really are. And after this meditation, leave a comment with one word: expansion. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Don't change it, just observe. Inhale and exhale. Let your breath flow naturally, like clouds moving across the sky. And now, imagine that your thoughts are clouds. They appear, they move, and they fade away. You don't control them. You don't fight them. You simply watch. And slowly, you begin to notice that there is something beyond the thoughts. There is a space in which they appear, and that space is you. You are not the thought. You are not the emotion. You are not the story. You are the awareness that observes it all. Feel that. And now, allow this space to expand. Gently, without effort, naturally. With every exhale, you release boundaries. With every inhale, you become wider. First, this space expands beyond your body, then beyond the room, and then beyond everything you once believed was you. And here, there are no limits, no fear, no doubt, only pure presence. And in this space, you begin to feel your true self. You are more than your thoughts. You are more than your fears. You are more than your past. You are space. You are awareness. you are stillness. Allow yourself to soften into this feeling. Deeper, gentler, wider. If a thought appears, don't resist it. Let it come and let it go, like a cloud. If an emotion arises, just observe it without judgment. You don't need to do anything. You are already in the place where nothing needs to be forced, where there is only presence. Stay here for a few more moments. Let this state become familiar. You can return here anytime. All it takes is a pause, closed eyes, and one conscious breath. And now, slowly begin to come back. Feel your body. Feel your breath. Feel the space around you. But carry this new awareness within you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and take this feeling with you.